Selling out another love that you adore, but the aftermath is getting closer.